Hello, my name is Dela, but I'm your expert doctor. In today's video, I will be rounding off the series I started, 5 parts I started on what no one tells you about how to get local supplier, a reliable local supplier, factor you should consider in getting local supplier, the principle that should guide you in getting local supplier that you need to be able to ship your product abroad. In today's video, I'll be looking at the reputation and responsiveness. It's important that you get a supplier based on reference. Who has he done it for before? Who is he currently doing it for? Who has he done it for before? Reputation and reference. If someone tells you, oh, talk to that guy, talk to that lady, talk to this company, talk to this business, they have supplied me. It tells you, number one, they have it or they can get it. They can deliver it, and that person can also let you know how timely they are, and also let you know the quality of the product they are delivering, if the quality also is of the type you are looking for. So, research the supplier's reputation in the market. Look for reviews, testimonials, individuals that have worked with them, individuals that can confirm to you that they are reliable, that you can deal with them, you can work with them. Check references from other clients, especially those who have bought from them and successfully exported the product without issue with the goods at the destination market. You know, I've had cases where people want to export, they got contact, and sometimes they don't get to see the goods themselves. They outsource everything. You know, even if you outsource production and supply, the shipment and documentation, you should handle that yourself. And the reason why you should handle that for yourself, because this is your business for crying out loud. You shouldn't be blaming someone else for errors, for issues, for anything that happened in the business that's not palatable, that you don't like. Because you should be in charge, coordinating and controlling, and being able to know when things go wrong and corrective measures to prevent it. So, do your due diligence on the supplier, get involved in the process, ascertain that this supplier is reliable. Don't forget, I talk about reputation and responsiveness. Now, you know, there are some suppliers that they can choose not to take your call, particularly when you are calling them and they know what they are supposed to give you, they don't have it, or they have not done it. And they will not take your call. No matter how bad a situation is, you can talk about it. You can talk about it because it's in talking that we can find solution. Choose a supplier with strong communication skill, ready to communicate and accept responsibility. And how do you know some of these things I'm talking about? This is why this particular one is very important. This episode is very important. Getting someone who has worked with them before. In fact, if possible, I would recommend do not work with anyone who cannot show you who they've worked with before, that you can independently verify that they are capable of what they claim they are able to do, that they will ensure they deliver consistently. You want to confirm that? That they control their quality, they have quality issues. You want to confirm that? They have a good understanding of the regulation and compliance measure. You want to confirm that? Choose a supplier with strong communication skill to facilitate operation and quick resolution of issues. It is when we discuss, we can resolve issues. We can identify issues. If we don't discuss, we can't identify issues, we can't resolve issues. That is why the guy must pick his call. He must have a reputation for taking calls, responding to messages, so that when there are issues, he's not avoiding your calls. You know, you also need a supplier that is a bit flexible in his thinking. Thinking of, okay, this is the way we've done it for many years, but now occasion is demanding that we need to think creatively. Why? Because that will help me to be able to solve the problem. In fact, if you're going to be reliable, if you're going to constantly have clients, if you don't have this trait, it will become a challenge for you. But for you as an exporter, you are interested in someone that can deliver for you. So I deal more now in value-added manufactured goods, So all I need to do is to work with the factory owner itself. And if I know they have issue in the factory and can have issue, I factor that into my cost. But I also work with people who are merchants who buy and sell. And I know sometimes there are quality issues that they have to find a way to sort out for their buyer. If there are quality issues and you don't sort it out with your buyer, you are indirectly shutting the gate for subsequent business opportunity with that particular buyer. I hope this video will be of help to you. We've discussed extensively on different things that has to do with how to source for supplier locally. You're looking at the quality and consistency of the local supplier. You're looking at the reliability and capacity to deliver. You're looking at their costing and pricing. You're looking at logistics and transportation. And lastly, you are looking at their reputation and responsiveness. My name is Delayingo, and I'm your expert doctor, and I'm signing out. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.